Hey guys, it's me, Callie, and today we are going to be opening mini brands, minis, fill the fridge. Look at that, was okay. There's a magnet. That's adorable. Okay, I have the fridge right over here, and we're gonna put the magnet on like so. Fridge back, and then at the end we're gonna like place it on the fridge and everything. Okay, so we're gonna open up and see what's in this bag. Okay, I got it. It is ordinary sausage patties. Okay, we're gonna place them on our counter. Okay, and then we got this. Okay. It's the Jello. Oh my gosh. If I get double of this, I'm definitely gonna take out the cups. Oh my god, these are adorable. Here's the next one. And then I got soft pretzels. Ornament shock. Okay. I'm pretty sure that's like a healthy drink. And we have 2 more bags left for this capsule. Oh, by the way, we're gonna open like a few little capsules. Okay, and then we got this oak jar. It's like yogurt, it looks like. Wait, can we open it? Wait, guys, look how detailed that is. There's like little like berries and fruit in there. It's adorable. Okay. Is that the ice? Yes. Oh my gosh. Got the ice. Now we can put ice in our little freezer over there. Okay, that's a little bit of ice, but I hope I get a double of this so I can fill it all the way. Let's close that up. Okay, from this capsule, my favorite one is going to have to be the Jello. Okay, let's take everything off the counter to open up our next capsule. Okay, we got our next capsule. Mini brands, minis, fill the fridge. Okay. Okay, so we got a double of the magnets. Let's open this up and see what we got. Ooh, we got like the ordinary thick cut bacon. It's like, what does that say? Okay, we're gonna set that down there. That's actually kind of interesting. Okay. Oh, it's a fresh milk. Next, it's like a little square. Lamb chops. Cheddar hash browns. Okay. Cream cheese. Let's hope it opens. I won't want it to open. That's sad. It doesn't open. So let's see what this is in the last bag of the second capsule. It's a eggplant. These are so realistic looking. Like it's like the actual little like wrapper. And there's also like the QR code stuff. It's really hard to see. So it's really small. Okay, my favorite out of this one is probably the bacon because it's just really interesting. Okay, next capsule. Okay, let's see what we get in this one. Okay, let's see what's in this one. So, let's see what we get in this one. Wait, guys, I see a magnet. It's a grocery list. This is my favorite magnet. Okay, let's see what we get in this one. What is that? It's Kabocha? I don't know. Dang it! First double. 2 more shot. Pizza Hut. Okay, let's see what we got from the Pizza Hut. Okay, how do you open this? It's like the chicken, I think. Yeah, pretty sure. Okay, we have 3 more bags. I'm gonna finish up with the yellow. I'm just gonna start opening all the yellow. Is that ice cream? Ice cream. Okay, this is jumbo oatmeal fudge. Okay, let's see what's in this one. Oh, okay, that just flamed. Okay, got it. Cool Whip. Okay, let's see what's in this one. That just flamed all over the place. Okay. It's cooked lobster. Okay, that's kind of freaky. My favorite one out of this one is definitely the ice cream. So cute. It's gonna work so good in that freezer. Okay, let's go to the next capsule. So we got mini brands, minis for the fridge. Again. Okay. Gonna pop it open. We got a pizza magnet. That's the first thing that literally just dropped out. I'm like, wait, what is that? It's a pizza magnet. It's so detailed. We're gonna add it right there. I'm actually gonna add this cup down there. Oh my gosh, this is ginormous. Wait, guys, I think this is the rarest thing. Okay, so there's like this mini bag. And then a pan. And then this stuff. So it says we do like this, and like this, and then I get to pour it. And there's also something in here. I think it also just comes with something. Okay, that's random. It just says juice. Okay, that's random. Okay, we're trying to open this bottle. Okay, we got the bottle open. Now we're gonna drizzle. Somehow they did. There's like a little drizzle like that on the top. And then we're gonna use this top. Just spread it. Okay. We're done with that cake. So I'm gonna set it on the top there. And then we're gonna open this up. And then it's this, like play or something. Why am I supposed to? Oh wait, it says to put some of this like on the top. So I'm gonna use this to flatten on the top. Okay, that looks really messy, but oops. Okay. Okay, my hands are really messy. Okay, so now we're gonna use this. I'm gonna open this up. And this is some cheese. And then fresh fish. Another Pizza Hut. Okay, now I'm scared. I'm scared. It can be something different. Wait, peek. Nope, it's double. I don't want to look at the double. Okay. and then chocolate syrup. My favorite half out of here is probably the random juice that just says juice on it. Why? Why can't I say like orange juice or melon juice or whatever it is? Okay, now all the products we get, we're gonna put in the fridge. So I'm gonna put the fridge right up front. That stuff just fell. Okay, now we're gonna put everything that we got in the front. So we're gonna probably put this box just in there or something. So get that. And we're gonna put this cheese on the top shelf. The syrup on the side. Okay, why is everything just dropping? The moment I speak, everything drops. And then we're gonna put something down in the freezer. Okay, you guys cannot see that, but whatever. Okay, now we're gonna put this bacon also in here because I feel like that's kind of meant to go in there. So. And this lobster can go right there. This Cool Whip can go right there. And this right there. Go in there, upside down, I guess. Okay, these can go inside. I'm really mad about these because I kind of don't like them. They're just kind of just random. Okay, why is everything just like upside down? Okay, just don't mind that. Okay, there's a chiller. I'm gonna set and in here, I'm gonna set that, whatever that is. I can't pronounce that right now anymore. Eggplants and the pretzels. This is already getting packed with stuff. Maybe because I'm placing it, I don't know. And the fresh milk. Okay. Okay, so today we got a lot of fun things that we could put in our fridge in my kitchen. So I really like that. My favorite out of all of them was probably the ice cream. And yeah, and next video, I want you guys to comment down below and say what series you want, because I have a lot of mini brands, so I can probably do something that will help it, like, so that you can enjoy the video. So bye guys!